Hey, what's up guys? How are you? Hope you're fine. Now welcome back to another video about smooth low potion, guys. Once again, I'm talking about the latest price update of the SLP coin. But guys, if you are new on my channel and if you don't subscribe my channel, so right now click the subscribe button. I feel very happy if you subscribe my channel. Guys, thanks for subscribing my channel. So let's start the video. The current live price of the SLP in the market is 0.152765 USD dollar. That is the currently live price of the SLP coin in the market. And guys, other side, if we talk about the change, so that's really a shocked news for us. That guys, completely the price going crash. Completely last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week. Every time the price of the SLP coin is going wrong. Really shock news for me, and I'm feeling very worried about that the SLP coin price is very pretty decrease. Anyways guys, what do you think about SLP coin future? I know guys that it is a completely bad time of SLP, but that's not mean the new decide to. So just look here now, the negative 6.61% the price decrease. 0.164798 USD dollar is the highest price of the SLP coin. Anyways guys, what do you think? What is your prediction? What is your opinion about SLP coin? Also share in the comment box, saying don't forget to subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos.